Okay. All right. Our ongoing class. Last week we copped a Beatles lick off of Obla Dee Obla Da. It was Desmond has a barrel. So we by ear figured out what the notes are, and they happen over an F chord. So we laid our F chord down because we had our fingers crossed that at least one of those notes are in the chord, right? So here's our F. We hummed it, la, 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 and together we figured out what those notes are. F, A, C. So now, is the F note in the F chord? Everybody should go, oh yeah. So it's right here. We've already got it down because we're making an F chord. A. Is the note A in the F chord? Yes. It's open. And then we have to lay our baby finger down on that. This is a C note right here. Let's try that together. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're just doing single notes. What if you'd like to add a little harmony? Let's do a little block chord here. Our first note is an F, right? If we're playing that melody note, F, what strings can we play along with that to add harmony?
Bottom three.
The bottom three. So let's block chord it like that. Here's the melody right here. Ba, and then the other two notes in the lick would be single notes. So watch this. So we get a fuller sound, more self-contained because we're adding harmony. It's your choice. If you want to do a single note, that's fine. Okay, so now here's a little beat. Let's do that lick together, any way that you can do it, single note or with harmony. 1, 2, 3, 4. All day, all night, Maryanne, down by the seashore, sifting sand. Even little children, they love Maryanne. I'm not going to do it here because this is a C7 chord. Down by the seashore, sifting sand. So in other words, if you're doing a Latin feeling, or maybe not even necessarily a Latin feeling, Obla Dee is not exactly a Latin feeling song. You have a lick now in your goodie bag. You can try it out and see if it works. You get to decide.